this is Sandra Shea from eBus Today magazine, and today's celebrity guest is the lead cast of Heer Manja, Ali Rahman and Harim Farooq, right here with us, talk exclusively to eBus Today magazine. And we are really excited कि हमें हीर मांझा के बारे में और क्या पता चलेगा. Everything that you need to know about the movie is right here. Stay tuned. The star-studded cast of Heer Manja is right here with us. So how our promotions are going? We are quite enjoying your promotion campaign. आप लोग different cities में जा रहे to promote your movie. So how is that experience? And how much appreciation you are getting from the audiences?
We are enjoying it too, actually. It's one of our favorite things to do when the film comes out or is about to come out, is to go to cities and promote it and meet people. I think one of the best parts of promotion is to meet the public.
Yeah.
Interviews are great and it's lovely meeting you guys. But I think the real promotion is when you go out and you're doing ground activities and you're meeting the people and you're interacting with them. So you get a sense of what kind of support you're getting, what the feedback is, and you get a sense of how excited people are. And then you of course get to meet people, which is great. You don't know these people exist in Pakistan till you're there. So it's very nice.
So we hardly get time to interact with our fans, but this he's right. Ke promotions ke beech mein you get that time. You get to see all those people, who really come out to support you and love you. So it's always a pleasure. Yes, they're super hectic. Yes, they're super exhausting, but at the end of the day, it's always yes.
इतना प्यार मिलता है, तो it's overwhelming because so much love out there and so less time.
Yeah.
What's the story? What's the basic plot of the Heer Manja, and how is it different from
the basic plot? So basically, it's Kabir और हीर की story है. क्या कहते हैं? It's a story of innocent love. प्रॉपर एंटरटेनमेंट पैकेज है इसमें. स्टोरी में होता ये है कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे को दे एंड अप मीटिंग ईच अदर. व्हाई, हाउ, व्हेन, वेयर एंड व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टरवर्ड्स इज समथिंग दैट यू विल फाइंड इन द फिल्म. यू विल हैव टू वॉच द फिल्म फॉर दैट. ज़्यादा रिवील इसलिए नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि इसमें बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. बेसिक यही चीज़ है कि कबीर और हीर की स्टोरी एंड दे एंड अप मीटिंग ईच अदर एंड व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर दैट और व्हाट हैपेंड बिफोर दैट.
What it basically focuses on? What is the main goal of the movie? Like, it's entertainment or क्या है?
It's a romantic comedy. It's a proper family entertainer. You'll get action, comedy, tragedy, romance, great songs, and you'll actually get very good performances. So we very confidently, we're confident enough. बाकी तो अल्लाह के हाथ में एक दफ़ा फिल्म रिलीज़ होती है and audiences के हाथ में, but हमें ये पता है कि हमने एक certain चीज़ पे मेहनत की है और वो हमें ये पता है कि that is providing people with a very fun family entertainer. When you go to your cinemas to watch the film, you come out with a smile and you would want to go and watch it again and again.
Okay, Ali, I want to know about your character. Is Kabir है character का नाम, right? So वो जो tycoon है, business tycoon है, how he ended up he fell in love with Heer.
So he's an architect. So Kabir is an architect basically, and he's doing really well in his firm. His career is doing really well. He's already at a place where he's very successful, and he's about to reach more heights. And during this time, he's a very focused person. He loves to work. He wants to get somewhere because of hard work. He believes in hardcore work, and he believes in working hard for achieving your goals. But during that, he doesn't forget, but he is unable to give his friends, his loved ones, his family that kind of time that they deserve, because he gets so engrossed, he forgets people around him. And that becomes an issue for people that love him and that want to be around him, because he doesn't know how to give them time and how to balance that life. He's a good guy though. He doesn't have a bad streak in his body. He wants to do good by people. अच्छा आदमी. और कहते हैं yeah.
Okay. He is quite different character from your character, right?
Mojaz. Sorry, what do you think?
He is quite different from your character.
Yeah.
So she's a happy-go-lucky girl in the trailer that we have seen so far. So आप अपने character को कैसे define करेंगे? And कुछ traits के आपसे resemble करते हैं ही फारूक से आप नहीं
करते हैं.
जवाब दो.
कि तुम काटोगे
नहीं, मैं नहीं काटूंगा.
नहीं. Yes,
You both can answer that.
चलो, why don't you answer that?
I don't know. I don't know.
He is, yes, she is a happy-go-lucky person, and there are certain similarities. Not completely, but yes, most of the traits that he has are very similar to mine. I can relate to her the most. जितने भी मैंने characters किए हैं आज तक, उसमें खुश रहना चाहती है, खुश रखना चाहती है. Something happens in her life जिसकी वजह से हालात change हो जाते हैं. She ends up meeting Kabir. और आगे उसके बाद स्टोरी चलती है. क्या होता है अगेन एज ए सेट फिल्म में पता चलेगा, बाद में फिल्म देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा. बट क्या कहते हैं, वन ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ हीर जो कि आई कैन 100% रिलेट टू, जो उसका जो रिलेशनशिप अपने बाप के साथ है उसका, दैट इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय माई ओन पर्सनल लाइफ. एंड बी, आई फील इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेल पीपल के हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ फॉर फादर्स टू एम्पावर देयर डॉटर्स. हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो घर से बात शुरू होती है और उसका इम्पैक्ट ज़िंदगी में आगे जाके क्या होता है. तो फॉर मी दैट इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी सुपर रिलेटेबल.
That's cool. अब ये क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से है कि एनी मेमोरेबल मोमेंट्स फ्रॉम द सेट जो कि आप अभी तक मिले, एनी फनी मोमेंट जो कि आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं विद योर फैंस एंड ऑल, सो यू हैव
I don't have any specific. You know, I don't have any specific.
Any
No, I don't have any specific.
हमारा भी ये मसला है. The whole shoot was a lot of fun. It was. I mean, there are a lot of memorable moments. Abid Ali sir.
Yeah, Abid.
Yeah.
Working with Abid.
Yeah.
Abid sir.
It's like,
No, it's also because we've worked with him in Diyar Dil, and that time was a very special time in our lives. It was a very special project. All three of us were together in Shigar, and we shot a good chunk of that play, just us three. And that bonding we had, that time we shared, was very special. We can't take that away. And so again, when he came back, it was really one of those moments where, all of us, the whole crew was, like, it's not just us, but the whole
Yeah.
crew was like in awe of Abid Sahab. It was a very big matter of pride for us.
That's cool. One more question is that हमने जो ऑब्जर्व किया फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर्स एंड फ्रॉम द जो भी आपके सॉन्ग रिलीज हुए हैं, काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. कल कोई मेलोडियस है तो एकदम से एक अपबीट सॉन्ग आता है. सो हाउ वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस? कोई इसमें चैलेंजिंग था आपके लिए कि ये वाला सॉन्ग थोड़ा परफॉर्म करना चैलेंजिंग है, ये वाला थोड़ा सा वी कैन डू इट इजीली, कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस? क्योंकि आपके बहुत डिस्टिंक्टिव जो है वो म्यूजिक सॉन्ग्स हैं.
तो ये आई थिंक दिस सॉन्ग्स वेरी बहुत अच्छा डिपिक्ट करते हैं कि उसमें मूवी में कितने फ्लेवर्स हैं. मतलब we've got those upbeat songs, and then we've got a romantic song, and then we've got a sad song. So there are all kinds of emotions in the film. It's a proper roller coaster ride, and it has a proper arc to it. कि मतलब उसके लिहाज से I personally love all the songs. I do. I think one of the songs which I felt कि मतलब this is something which I was doing for first time was कुछ तो हुआ है. When we were performing that song, that's something that I did for the first time. So I think that would be something जो थोड़ा सा था, थोड़ा सा difficult था, थोड़ा सा But then again, working with Ali is always a pleasure. It's just somehow he makes you so comfortable that it's you don't feel awkward or doing such if you're doing something for the first time, you don't feel awkward. You're very comfortable doing that.
We enjoyed all the songs.
And yeah.
There's the perk of it. Okay, now we'll start our rapid fire round with you. So first, Harim, it's your turn. One compliment for Ali Rahman.
He's a wonderful person.
Okay. And one cheesy line for him. Any cheesy line that you want.
Must modeling.
Oh, that's nice. Hear in one word.
Hear in one word. ये बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है. Hear in one word would be sweetheart.
Sweetheart. Your favorite song of the movie?
Jan Maini.
Okay, you redo the dialogue of Ali Rahman's character in the movie.
मुझ में तुम्हें फ़र्क ये है कि तुम मुझे हमेशा हराने के लिए क्या तुम मुझे हमेशा हराने के लिए
मुझ में तुम्हें फ़र्क ये है कि तुम हमेशा मुझे हराने की सोचते हो और मैं हमेशा जीतूं.
Okay. You have to do it.
मुझ में तुम्हें फ़र्क ये है कि तुम मुझे हमेशा हराने की सोचते हो और मैं हमेशा जीतने की.
Parchi or Himanja?
Oh yeah.
Select
Himanja.
Himanja. Redo the dialogue of any movie you like. कोई आपकी जो भी movie हो और you want to redo that dialogue again with the same expressions.
याद नहीं रहते. It's like from this movie.
Any movie that you like.
Any movie that I
Yeah.
like. Achha, so this is the thing. As much as I love poetry, as much as I love films, and as much as I love all these things, I forget dialogues. मैं straight भूल जाती हूँ, मैं मुहावरे भूल जाती हूँ. So there's the I remember the gist of it, but I don't remember dialogues, unfortunately.
Okay. Dramas or movies?
Movies for sure.
Your favorite character in the movie, apart from you?
In the movie,
Yeah, in the movie.
in this movie. Yeah, there are a lot of cameos. So yeah, उनमें से I think Mikal का cameo would be.
There are cameos as well, right? So you can mention some of the names of those cameos.
Yeah, there are a lot of cameos, but the thing about them, they're not. वो इसलिए नहीं है कि उनकी star value है. They're there because they contribute to the story. The characters contribute to the story. वो उसके लिए everyone has done a great job. Mikal Zulfikar, Ali Kazmi, क्या कहते हैं, Abid Ali sir, all these people, Amna Sheikh, all these people, they've done a great job and people are really going to enjoy it.
Sure will. Okay, Ali, now it's your turn. Your favorite song of the movie that you really enjoy?
I think it's Himanja.
Himanja, title song. Parchi or Himanja?
Himanja.
Redo the dialogue of Heer's character.
What's a dialogue of Himanja? तुम मुझसे माफी मांगने आए थे. Shit, कुछ समझ में आ नहीं रहा. चलो.
Okay. One compliment for Harim Farooq.
She's
One word.
one word.
Yeah.
One word's are very hard for me to do. You said several words, that would be very good. I'm not a man of the.
Okay, just one compliment.
Okay, fine, I'll do
Yeah.
one word.
Yeah.
The elegant.
What?
Elegant.
Oh,
One
wow.
word.
Okay. Sing a song of 90s.
90s.
Pakistani song.
Yeah, sure. किसी के कहने में ना आना, मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा दीवाना, सारी जहां को है बताना, ओ बेबी, तेरी मर्जी नहीं चलती, ओ बेबिया, ओ बेबी, तेरी मर्जी नहीं चलती.
Your all-time inspiration in actors.
Oh, there are too many. I
Name
mean,
a few then.
there's Robert De Niro, there's Al Pacino, Ray Liotta is a really good actor. I used to really love, still do actually, Anthony Hopkins, Emma Thompson's a brilliant actor, Jennifer Lawrence is such a great actor. I mean, there's so many. I mean, I think I get inspired by, even though the new actors that are out, like you see so many great actors out there that are just do brilliant work. And so every little actor, every actor in every role is a breath of inspiration. I mean, I can't put my finger on one. I think it's a great injustice in the world if you limit yourself to just one thing. Like there's so much choice in the world. Why would you want to just have one favorite?
Get inspired by so many people. Okay, the one last rapid fire. You can. When the movie is gonna release, the date.
Eid al-Adha, 12th of August in Pakistan and 23rd in the UK and the US and Dubai.
Yeah. Another exciting game that we're going to play with you is song guessing. That you have to guess the song, और जो भी सबसे पहले guess करेगा, he or she get it.
Oh God, I'm so excited! She'll win. She'll win.
Papu yaar tak na kar.
Can I
One point for Harry.
You gave all
Okay,
the
now the
points.
second song.
नाम
No.
Mujadan.
Yeah.
Punjaban. Nach Punjaban.
Rajajan.
I will annoy him so much in this segment.
Yeah, I'm not gonna answer.
No.
I'm just not gonna.
He's gonna get annoyed by every time. It's like,
Because I'm telling you, no one is
अंग्रेजी
there.
गाने लगाओ ना तो फिर पता चल रहे सारे उर्दू गाने
Pakistani content.
बोल ना हाँ? बताओ पाकिस्तानी फिल्मों का गाना है ना वो भी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल
I don't know this. No. No. I know that song. I
This
know
is
that song.
instrumental, so yeah, thoda sa
Okay.
Okay, now the chord song, right?
Oh, you don't know this? Oh, the second one you don't know.
I know this one.
Wow.
Nazia Hassan.
Song.
इसको दीवाने
No.
देखिए जरा किसमें कितना है दम नहीं
नहीं, that's
It's not Hamnaz.
Which one is this?
these are जब मैं बता रही हूँ in instrumentals में ना कुछ instruments missing I am telling you guys.
No point for it. Now the next song.
Uber.
You can guess it. Right?
Ajay, you knew by the way.
So annoying this one. ये brown luck है नहीं सजाद
No, this is.
Such a famous song.
Oh, तुम्हें नहीं आता?
मुझे आता है,
Wow,
मुझे
Hareen,
बस आता है.
this is the worst that you've done in your life. How bad. Oh, अभी तक नहीं. ओए. Oh, Hareen, it's okay. You can never be that perfect.
बता दो भाई.
Worst instrumental. So दूर.
Yeah, yay! 1 point for it.
And a big shout out to Ebus today for being here and for interviewing us and for coping with our madness, especially mine, because I'm an idiot. And a big congratulations to Hareen for winning this round. No one cares. And just want to tell you guys that our film Heer Manja is releasing on Eid al-Azha. And you guys should definitely go watch it because it's a full family entertainer. You can take your kids, you can take your parents, you can take your grandparents, you can take their parents if they're like, and just go and watch it, have a great time. And it's a fun film because we say so.
But the emotions is there.
Yes, it does. It has emotions. It's a fun, emotional film. Romantic comedy.
Good action is there.
And it's got action and drama. And it's got everything. So it's a very energizing film.
And you'll get
And if you don't want to take my word for it, take her word for it.
and you'll get to see this chemistry on screen. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Imagine. film में कितना शुगर लगा होगा.
Yes.
Okay.
और फिल्म में देखिए कौन जीता है?
Do not forget, Eid al-Azha pe Heer Manja coming out. Go watch it with your families.
Yes. And oh, कट करने वाले थे ना.